I just pulled up back to my house after completing a job today, and I got paid $90 just for this hour. And as of today, doing this signing that I did, the one hour signing, I officially have made over $1,000 with this job. Hi, my name is Clarissa. I live in Southeast Wisconsin, and I just wanted to talk about how I'm able to do this, how I just made $90 in 1 hour as a wife and a mom of 3 and crazy busy schedule. I am a dental assistant on Mondays every week, just a part-time job just to help with income. And in January, it became obvious to my husband and I that we're going to need to move. We have outgrown our house, and it would be great if I could pick up extra hours at the dentist and bring in some more money to help us get where we need to be to start looking for a house. So I was just scrolling through TikTok, and I saw somebody talking about being a loan signing agent or a notary signing agent. And my first thought was, this seems too good to be true. $75 to $150 an hour, taking appointments when you want. Most things that you find on the internet that seem too good to be true end up being just that. But, I was thinking I don't want to have to spend more full days during the week at the dental office, and it would be great if I could do something else. So I did some more digging, did some more research on this loan signing agent job that I didn't even know existed, and I came across the loan signing system. This community that Mark Wills has created is incredible, and it was very obvious to me once I looked into it a little more that this is legit. This is something that I can do as a busy woman. So I took the leap in the beginning of March of this year, March of 2023. I was certified by the end of March, and I had my first signing mid-April. And as of today, doing this signing that I did, the one hour signing, I officially have made over $1,000 with this job. And I'm telling you, it's incredible how much information and help and training I have gotten from the loan signing system. And it's continued. There's always more. There's always updates. There's always live training that I can attend. And the information is invaluable. It is incredible. And I'm so thankful that I found this and that I found the loan signing system community. I can take jobs whenever I want. I can be home in the morning to get my daughter on the bus. I can be home in the afternoon to put my babies down for their naps and get my daughter off the bus. I can work around my husband's work schedule. And I've already made over $1,000 now. And I cannot wait to continue to grow my business, to grow as a loan signing agent within this community. And I'm so proud of myself, and I would not be here if it wasn't for the loan signing system and Mark Wills. So, I really truly believe that if I can do it, anybody can do it. Absolutely.